Hey there, eBay sellers. Have you ever tried to list an item on eBay, only to hit a frustrating roadblock where the platform just won't let you? You're not alone. This is a common issue, especially with eBay's evolving policies in 2025. In this video, I'll walk you through simple, effective steps to get you back up and running quickly. So, grab your notes, and let's fix this together. First things first, start by checking your account status. Log into your eBay account and head to the Account Settings section. Look for any alerts about suspensions, limitations, or verification needs. If eBay flags your account, it could be due to recent policy changes or unpaid fees. Resolve these right away to unlock listing capabilities. Next, ensure your items comply with eBay's guidelines. In 2025, eBay has tightened rules on prohibited items, so double-check that what you're selling isn't restricted. Use the eBay Policy Center to search for your item's category and make adjustments if needed. This step alone fixes many listing issues. If that doesn't work, try troubleshooting your device. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, or switch to a different browser or device. Sometimes, technical glitches like outdated software can block the listing process. Also, make sure you're using a stable internet connection to avoid timeouts. Another key step is to verify your identity if prompted. eBay often requires additional verification for new or high-volume sellers. Go to your account security settings and complete any identity checks, like uploading ID or confirming your phone number. If you're still stuck, don't hesitate to contact eBay support. Use the Help Center to submit a ticket or chat with an agent. They can provide personalized advice and escalate issues. Be sure to have your account details ready for a faster resolution. By following these steps, you'll likely get past that listing block in no time. Remember, eBay wants you to succeed as a seller, so stay persistent. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more eBay tips. Happy selling!